Why is it when you get triggered, do you want to reach out to your divine counterpart? Now, here's the thing. It may not even be triggers to do with them. It may be triggers at work. It may be triggers with your children. It may be triggers in your family. It may be triggers with a stranger. But why is it that you want to just reach out to them, or even just check in, even if it's just seeing their words, feeling their vibration, seeing their eyes, seeing their face? Why is it that you want to reach out? It feels like, just need that reassurance. I need that reassurance. It's like that child, that is learning to walk and they look behind for their mum or their dad, their parents, just for that reassurance to say, you're okay, keep going. The reason why is because they are the exact same essence, signature, frequency of the one soul. And so and they're like a comfort blanket. So when you feel triggered, when you are ascending, when you are moving through the journey, you want to check in because it feels wholeness. Remember, the windows are the eyes to the soul. The voice is activating, the heart is activating. And so when you connect in, it gives you like that comfort blanket. It makes you feel safe, secure, wholeness, and safe in the body, safe and reassured at that soul level frequency. And let me tell you, it also gives them the same, but to a certain point. And then once you get to that certain point, it triggers again. And so what was once giving you comfort now is triggering you. Why is that? Because they are your mirror. They are there to trigger you deeper into your journey. Only one twin needs to do the work. So as you get triggered, and you then start to, all this energy and oscillations and core wounds start to rise, you then observe, you then start to peel back the layers. And let me tell you, when those triggers happen, it's not just, it's happening in layers. So they will come and it's like unpacking them in layers. And so you'll go, I thought I'd done that work already, only then to work deeper on it again. They come in because they are helping you purify that shared energetic field, that one soul frequency. Remember that the purpose of this journey was not just for love and romance. And yes, union can definitely be achieved, but only when you have done the deep inner work. And the deep inner work is that light frequency, is moving through into those shadows and purifying it into that light frequency. And they have that reassurance of that comfort blanket in you too. And so that's why they will reach out, whether it be energetically or in the physical, because they come back in. And as you're purifying and alchemizing that energy, you hold that light, that flame, beautiful. And they want to come in because that feels really powerful and really reassuring, knowing that you are their exact match. And the more that you both travel along the journey, the more you will start to really understand this at a deeper soul level. So the reason why they feel it is because you are one exact soul frequency and you are moving through the journey together. Remember, if either one of you is holding those lower dimensional frequencies of abandonment, fear, lack, betrayal, the need for validation, if either one of you is still staying in old wounds, then you can't ascend in that frequency. And so you as a divine feminine, you go first because you are the conscious part. As you are able to hold that frequency, divine masculine follows your energy. They always follow your energy. Remember, you are the feminine. The feminine holds the creative life force frequency. And yes, divine masculine holds it too, but not in the creative energy. They hold it in an energy where they respond to your energy. And as they respond to your frequency, they start to match it. The feminine essence, think about it as birth, is always the egg of creation, the egg of the cosmos. And that is what is occurring now. We are about to very shortly start detox. It comes in Awakened Consciousness, which is all part of my Twin Flame course, which gives you the A to Z of the journey. So you can start to really do the deep inner work. So you get out of all that toxic element of, the carrot on the golden carrot on the stick, and it always just being slightly out of your reach. Now we're chucking the carrot away, we're eating the carrot, and we're becoming the carrot. No longer are you going to sit in that toxic element. You are now going to sit in that beautiful vibration of, what is this showing me? Where can I go deeper? And as I go deeper, I rise in my frequency of consciousness. I ascend into my path of enlightenment. I hope this helps. I send you much love.